I'm very sorry o, mo wárí forí adé o. Ìyànjú lèèyàn máa ń gbàgbàlagbà, àìbágbàlagbà wí. But to be honest, our traditional ruler, they need to do the needful. Is it the way they receive it, they are handing it today? Is it the way they met it with their forefather, they are doing it today? It's true, many people will come to be a king, but there's only one person who's going to be a king. So they should be remembered that there is a reason for them to be that lucky person, to be the king. And the crown on their head is tradition. The staff of office in their hand is tradition. So what are they giving the tradition? Sometimes when you see some Oba, before a single man in the society even greet them, before you know it, they lose the respect because of the envelope they are expecting in that gathering. Ọba kì í ṣiṣẹ́, àwọn onílẹ̀ ló máa ń bọ́ ọba. You will never see a king be wanting because the ancestor always